Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. It's just kind of a rainy Sunday here today, which is good because we've needed rain and we have gotten quite a bit here the last week or two. There's Big Bird and the little cute Cochin. Today was a processing day, so I'm down quite a few cockerels, which you will not be able to tell because you know George down there is going to keep it loud. This is Big Bird, and he's a little silky rooster, and he made the cut just because he's so cute and he's so sweet. This is the young crew. I whittled them down by, let me see, 4 cockerels out of this group today. All that remains in this group is that one black Australorp rooster there by the roll of fence. That still needs to be put up, by the way. There's Hopi. Sounds like Hopi has something to say to you guys. I just sold my back pen of quail, so I am down to 1 male and 5 females. She's right over there. I was just getting a ton. You know, I'll tell you something. I have 5 females in here, and some days I get 6 eggs. I just got 5 eggs out of there. And in that back corner, they just laid another one. So it's really impressive to me that one of them lays 2 eggs a day. This is my little back flower garden. This back garden has evolved and changed and been gone and come back throughout the years. This year it has sunflowers and zinnias and sweet potatoes. I have lots of tomatoes. None of them are ripe. I grew so many new tomatoes this year. This is called a pink bumblebee. And if you've never tried one, try them. They're delicious. They're not quite ready yet, but I had a couple that were ripe and they're so good. So I have like all kinds of varieties of tomatoes this year. This one right here is called the Black Beauty. And they're not ripe yet, but they're supposed to be like all black. They're really pretty. So I've gotten a lot of things out. I decimated my broccoli out there this week. I was just getting way too much broccoli. It's doing great, but I can't keep up with it. My freezer's full. I'm desperately trying to rehome it, and it's just too much. So I got it ready to plant some things for fall. And I'm starting to clear some things out to get ready for fall in about the next week or so. But everything is still doing really nice. Those Brussels sprouts are amazing. They're just not really Brussels sprouting yet. Pepper plants look beautiful this year, and I'm finally getting an orange tomato in there. I've got sweet banana, I've got green peppers, I've got red peppers, I've got orange peppers, I've got yellow peppers, I've got sweet banana, serranos, and I've got those hot peppers. There are some like called, what were they called? Lemon or peach or something. Got a couple different weird hot peppers there. You can see all the tomatoes I have that are just finally starting to get right back there, but barely. I love having this fence. It makes it really convenient to just plant things along that fence. And my flowers are finally starting to get where I wanted. Been trying to build these up through the years. This is probably the best it's looked, with all these different perennial flowers and some up front that aren't. For those of you keeping count, I am now down to 26 chickens in the main chicken coop, and I'm down to 10 bantams plus Libby and Limpy, so 12 in the little shed. I am right on schedule and right on track here. I'm really pleased with my progress, and I have a couple more to whittle down. Oh yeah, and definitely stay tuned for what that is all about. I cannot wait to show you. Well, Georgie here knows the pluckers put away. And he thinks he's gonna live to see another day. So I see he's gonna get brave here and come over. Oh, look at this. He's showing you guys his stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your week. I will catch you the next time.